Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Pepegold token. Now this is a Solana meme coin. It's actually up 515% in the past 24 hours. They just reached $1 million market cap. And it was just announced that this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing very soon on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Pepegold token. So it was just announced on Twitter, on Bitmart's Twitter, at Bitmart Exchange. It says, upcoming new listing. Bitmart will list the Pepegold token soon. Keep an eye on our socials for further announcements. So one way to get this token, if you want to wait until it gets listed on Bitmart, you could download Bitmart from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or open an account on your PC. Go into the trade section when it gets listed. You'd have to fund your account with USDT, and then go into the trade section and search the ticker symbol Pepe, and you'll be able to see the Pepegold token pop up, and then simply just buy the token. Now, follow their Twitter right here at Pepe Golden Soul. You'll be able to see exactly when the Bitmart listing is. But if you want to get it before it gets listed on Bitmart, or you just don't want to use a central exchange, or maybe Bitmart's not available in your country, you could get this token now by funding your Phantom wallet or your Soulflare wallet or your Trust wallet with Sol, going into the dApps, finding Raydium, and then trading your Sol for the Pepegold token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, pepecoingold.com. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics. Hopefully we could find that here. And yeah, so their Twitter, at Pepe Golden Soul, has a link to their webpage right there. They have a gold verified checkmark, 88 tweets. It says Golden Pepe meme coin, 1,830 followers. Brand new project. Just joined Twitter May 2024. And their pinned tweet is basically a retweet of the Bitmart listing announcement. So you can check that out there. And then they have a link to DEX tools where you could see more information. You could check out the chart. They have the contract address there. And then they also have a link to their Telegram. At Pepe in Gold on Telegram, 1,485 subscribers. So this is Pepe wrapped in gold. Golden badge on Twitter. And on their webpage, they just have a link to their socials, a button to buy. So you can get this token off of Raydium. Most likely you'll be able to get it off Jupiter and Orca. Then they have a link to DEX Tools chart. You can also see the chart here on Bird Eye and DEX Screener. And yeah, and then it has a link. It says Our Fathers, and that'll take you over to at blast_wolves. And that's most likely the devs page, I would assume, one of the team members. You can check that out on their webpage as well. So they have a burning event. So just 3 hours ago, they tweeted out here, Pepegold on Sol burned another 1 million tokens from the supply. And they have a Sol scan where you could verify that. Check that out in one of their most recent tweets there. So it seems like most of the information is going to be on their Twitter here. They're doing a lot of updates on here, as opposed to their webpage doesn't have much info on there. But yeah, so the DEX screener chart here, they're actually trending number 6 right now on DEX screener, doing very well today. They have $1.1 million market cap, and that is also their fully diluted valuation. This token's up 580% right now. It says total liquidity, $155,000 in Raydium, and 97.98% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. So that's great to see that. And they have a 24-hour trading volume today of $13.9 million. Doing very well. Token price is around, between 1/10 and 1/8 of a penny. As I'm recording this video, this token is just going up and up here. It was under $1 million market cap when I started this video. Is at like $900 something thousand. It jumped up to $1 million. Now it jumped up to 1.1 million. It's actually up 600% now. The token pair on Raydium was actually just created 1 day, 3 hours ago. So that's how brand new this token is. Pepe returns in golden colors. Join now and see you at the top, it says on DEX Screener. On DEX Tools, it says they have a total supply and a circulating supply of 1 billion tokens. And we could check on their Sol scan here to see. Yeah, so it's a deflationary token, and right now they have a current supply of 990,871,023 tokens. It says 6 decimal places on this token according to their Sol scan there. And they have 453.7 Sol in Raydium, which is equivalent to 67.28 million golden Pepe tokens. They have a DEX score of 88 out of 99. They have a community trust score of 85.2% out of 27 votes. And on DEX Tools, you could find a quick audit. And so they were audited by Quick Intel Security. Keep in mind, it is just a quick audit. It's not a full audit. You should always look out for full audits, team doxing, all that type of stuff there. But their quick audit is good. There's no warnings on it. It says contract verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, scam risk undetected, and it also says no other risks. So yeah, stay tuned. Follow their Twitter here. You'll be able to see exactly when the listing is for this token. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.